Hey guys, it's Eric with another VA loan tip. Today, the loan tip is going to be on how to reduce the likelihood that you ever get denied for a mortgage. Our goal here is that you never get denied, but here are some tricks or tips, I should say, to make sure you reduce the likelihood. So most veterans are denied for a mortgage for two key reasons. Number one, a poor credit history, specifically in the last 12 to 24 months. So a recent history is all over the place. It's pretty nasty. That's likely gonna get you denied for a loan. The other issue that we see a lot is way too much debt, okay, and not enough income. But even though those are the two most common, there are some other things I want to talk about to make sure you reduce the chances that you're denied. So here are some of the things when we're going to approve you for a loan that if we see them, we start asking questions, and it reduces the likelihood that you're going to get the loan. Number one, if you've been changing employers all over the place, in the last 2 years you've had 4, 5, 6 different employers, that's not really good. Now, what happens if each time you switched employers, you went from like a line cook at a restaurant to a heavy machinery driver to a bag boy? You get my point. If you're changing employers, please make sure that you're not moving from one job type to another. If we see an accountant go to 3 different firms and each time that accountant's making a little bit more money, we're not going to question that. Another thing, when we look at your bank statements for the last 2 months, if we see like a $20,000 deposit in the middle of 1 month and there's no explanation for it, large deposits right around the time you're trying to get approved for a home does cause us to question what might be going on. Here's another thing that may seem a little like common sense would tell you not to do this, but what we see a lot is after you're pre-approved for a loan, you go out and you open up 2 new credit cards because you want all those, introductory airline points. And even though you don't charge the card up, that can hurt you. Don't go open new lines of credit until you're already in the house. Some people start shopping for furniture 2 months before they ever even close on the home, and they go out, and here in Utah, there's RC Willey. We see people, they got a brand new RC Willey card and they went and charged up, $10,000 worth of furniture. Even though you might be able to afford it, don't do this. It's the biggest mistake people make is opening new trade lines before they get in the home. And of course, don't miss your car payment. Don't miss that $25 credit card payment. We've seen people get denied for a loan because they missed a payment they had been making on time for 3 years. They got so caught up in the home buying process, they forgot about their bills, and that can screw everything up. So again, VA loan tip, to reduce the likelihood that you get denied for a loan, pay your bills on time, and don't try to spend more money on a home than you really should be.